today's video, we are going to talk about simple queries. Okay, in the previous videos, we have seen how to create a table and other DDL, DML commands. So let us see the table that we have created. We have created an employee table here. Okay, so this is our employee table, which has employee ID, first name, last name, email ID, age, salary, department, joining date, gender, and manager ID. We have inserted a lot of data into it. Now let us come to the queries. The first query it says is find those employees who work in HR department. So remember, when you're writing queries, there are three keywords you should remember. That is select, from, and where. You can either write it in one line or you can write in one line also. Okay, that is allowed. In front of select students, you should always write what you want to display. Now, either you want to display only names of the employees. So in that case, I can say it could be first name. Okay, I just want the first name. Okay, or if you want all the details, you don't know exactly what you want the details of employees. In that case, you can just write a star. Okay, so let us write star for now. In front of from, you should always write from which table are you gonna get the data. You're gonna get it from the employee table. And in front of where, you should always write what is the condition that is asked to you. So the condition that's asked to you is the department has to be HR. So you will say where department is equal to, and as you know, it was a varchar, it has to be given in a single quotes, so you will write it like this. So this is your select from where. Select everything and run the query. Okay, so if you do that, you can see you've got all the data of those employee where the department is equal to HR. Okay, so similarly, what if, as I said, instead of star, if you write what first name. Okay, you want to write only get the first name of the employees where department is equal to HR. Again, and only just to check whether you're getting the right answer or not, let us also print department. Okay, select the whole thing and run the query. Okay, we can see the first name and the department is also displayed. So this is how we can run the query. Come to the next one. Find those employees who joined after 2022. Okay, so let us see our table once. Okay, let us see the table. In this, we have a column which is called as date of joining. Okay, we can see almost everybody has joined after 2022. So let us change the query. Let us make it 2024. Or somebody has joined 2022, somebody has joined 2024. Let us make it 2024. Now, how to run this query? Again, remember three keywords: select, from, and where. Okay, in front of select, you will write what you want. Let us say we want everything. Okay, so we will put star. Okay, or else I can just put first name, and what I want is I want the joining date. Okay, that is what will tell me now whether my query is correct or not. So remember, the name of the attribute has to be correct. Okay, if it is joining date underscore date, it should be the same thing. From which table? We are going to take it from the employee table. Where? What did we say? Where the joining date, okay, has to be greater than. When you say 2024, so we assume it should be 1st January 2024. So you will say Jan 1, 2024. Okay. Let us put this. Let us try to run the query. Okay, maybe the spelling mistake. See, there was a spelling mistake here. Okay, so now we got the query correct. We got all those who have joined after. See, we got 2024, but he has joined maybe in the 11th month. So yes, we have got this output properly. Okay. Let's go to the third query, students. We want to find those employees whose names either starts with A, ends with A, or contains A. These are three different queries actually. So now again, we have our three keywords. Let us write those. We will write select, from, where. What do you want? Those names, right? So let us write first name. Okay. Name, from which table? Employee table. Where what we want is first name, like is the keyword we use. Okay, it should be what? It should be starting with A. Okay, so it should be A, and after that it can be anything. So when you want to say it can be anything, you use a modulus. Okay, and you put a semicolon. So let us run the query. Okay, and we can see that we have got those employees whose name starts with A. Similarly, if the query was it should end with the A, then what we will say it can start with anything, but it should end with the A. Remember, the last A can be small because normally names are in it capitals. First letter is capital, obviously the last letter could be small. So that is why we put a small A. Let us run this, and we can see here all the names which are ending with the A is displayed over here. Now the third possibility is contains A. So let us say it can start with anything. It should just have a A, so it could be a capital A, small a, okay? And it should also end with anything. Okay, so this is called as contains A. So start with modulus means anything. It should have an A. You can either give a capital A or small a, and it should also end with a anything. Okay. So let us run this and check. Okay, so see, we have got Ananya which starts with A. We have Vikram, in between we have a A. We have Priya, Neha which has A ending with A. So like that, this query can be run. Okay, this was all about a third query. Let us come to the last one. Find the employee's salary is greater than the maximum salary of HR department. This actually does not come under simple queries, but let us just do as in the previous example. We have studied aggregate function. So let us first find out what is the maximum salary. Okay, maximum salary. Okay, from employee table we know that. Okay, where I can say where department is what department, as we said, HR. So let us find out what is the maximum salary where department is HR. Let us run it. We came to know the salary is 50,000. Now what we want is we want to find out if there is any employee whose salary is greater than this. Okay, so we want to find out the salary. So let us say select, okay, salary from employee where salary is greater than what? Greater than the output that we have got in this query. Okay, so we will put it in a bracket. So the output for this has come as 50,000. That 50,000 will go here, and we will find out if there is any salary which is greater than 50,000. Okay, so we can run this. Okay, and we can see that yes, there are certain salaries which are greater than this. Clear? Okay, so that is possible. Okay, so this was actually a part of a subquery, but we just thought we'll introduce this in the simple query also. One question that I want to ask you students, can you also display the first name along with the salary of that employee? Please try this, put it in the comment if possible. That also give me the first name of those employees whose salary is greater than the maximum salary of those employees who are working in HR department. Okay, thank you so much.